Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PostHog in your React Native app for analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have a React Native project set up. If you don't have one, create a new React Native project using the command line. Now, navigate to your project directory. Next, install PostHog using npm or yarn. Run the command npm install PostHog React Native if you're using npm. If you're using yarn, use the command yarn add PostHog React Native. Once the installation is complete, open your main application file. This is usually app.js or index.js, depending on your project structure. Import PostHog at the top of your file with the line import PostHog from PostHog React Native. Now, initialize PostHog. You will need your PostHog API key for this. You can find your API key in your PostHog project settings. Add the initialization code in your main app file. Use the command posthog.init, your _API key, to set it up. Next, you need to set up tracking. You can track user actions by calling PostHog's methods. For example, to track a screen view, use posthog.capture, screen viewed, screen, home. Place this code in the relevant component lifecycle methods. Consider using useEffect for functional components. Now, ensure you enable session recording if desired. To do this, pass the option recording true during initialization. If you want to identify users, you can call posthog.identify user_ID with a unique user ID. Make sure to test the integration. Run your app on a simulator or real device and check for errors. You can view captured events on your PostHog dashboard. To debug issues, use console logs to ensure PostHog methods are being called. Regularly check your analytics dashboard to ensure data is being captured correctly. Adjust your tracking as needed based on insights from your dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.